Welcome to our deep dive into the future of the workplace. The title of this video is, Will AI Take Your Job by 2030? The Future of Work. We are living in the reality of artificial intelligence. It's evolving faster than we ever imagined, fundamentally changing how we work. What if I told you that the job you're working on right now might not even exist by 2030? Sounds scary, right? Let's talk about it. AI is no longer just a helpful tool. It's actively replacing humans in various roles, increasing efficiency, and setting new standards. From automated customer service 24/7 to tools that generate content and analyze data, the workplace is changing at an unprecedented speed. Why are jobs at serious risk? Because AI can perform repetitive and basic tasks faster, cheaper, and without needing breaks. Imagine a company choosing between a monthly human salary and an AI working tirelessly at a fraction of the cost. The decision for mass automation becomes clear. Let's look at some of the jobs already seeing significant automation, placing them at high risk of being replaced by 2030. Repetitive tasks like data entry, telemarketing, and basic accounting are already being automated with high efficiency by AI tools. Customer support handled by chatbots and content generation managed by LLMs mean even roles like customer support and content writing are seeing significant changes. The automation extends beyond the office, with self-driving technology reducing the need for drivers and automated checkouts replacing cashiers in retail. But here is the twist. AI is not just destroying jobs, it's also creating new, high-value roles that require different skill sets. We are seeing rapid growth in demand for AI specialists and data analysts, who are essential for building and managing these new intelligent systems. New specializations like prompt engineers and tech consultants are emerging rapidly, requiring a deep understanding of how to work alongside AI. The future of work is not about fearing AI, it's about learning how to master it and integrate it into your work. The future doesn't belong to those who resist technology. It belongs to those who actively learn how to use AI to enhance their productivity. The real question you need to ask yourself is not, will AI take my job, but am I ready to adapt before it does? This is your critical moment. The choice is stark. Evolve your skills and use AI, or risk being replaced by those who do. By 2030, the workplace will reward smart, adaptable people who have made the choice to evolve with technology. Don't ignore AI. Learn it, use it, and stay ahead of the game. The time to future-proof your career is now.